what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Julia. Welcome and consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can get notification every single time I upload a video, which I do at Mondays, so you never miss out on any. With that out of the way, today I'm gonna try and create one of those summer trendy sheared tops that I've been seeing everywhere lately, especially on Reformation site, where the cost of these tops is from 150 to 200 euros, which is incredible to me. So I decided that I'm gonna try and create something similar but cheaper. I never shared fabric before either, so this should be fun. But yes, just to give you some idea of what I'm really gonna be doing in this video, this is the shirt that I bought for 4 euros, and I'm gonna be transforming it into something like this, or this. I'm not sure about the sleeves yet, how I want them to be, so I'm gonna decide that during the process. But yeah, let's see what my amateur ass can create. First, I measured how long I wanted the top to be. Then I cut under the armpits, and I also cut the curved bottom part off. I cut off the buttoning part panels off. And I double hemmed both sides. You can use your presser foot as a guide, but just to make it easier on myself, I drew a line every 2 centimeters. Elastic thread is needed for shearing, and you can wind it on your machine because it will stretch the thread too much, so you have to do it by hand, slowly, and not stretching the thread at all. With elastic thread at the bottom and normal one at the top, I lowered the pressure and started to sew the lines. ended up with sheared rectangle like this. With the right size touching, I sewed the sides together with straight stitch to finish the bodice. I pulled the elastic through the tunnel and the sleeve was done. And it was done.